Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to appeal a penalty in Instawork. To appeal a penalty on Instawork, navigate to the Open Shift screen in the app. Then, if you are currently suspended, a current suspension section will appear displaying the suspension details within the section. Tap the blue appeal suspension link to initiate the appeal process. You will be prompted to provide the relevant details or any support information. After submission, Instawork will review your appeal and notify you of their decision, typically within an hour. Then it's important to note that not all suspensions are eligible for appeals. So if the appealing suspension link isn't visible, it indicates that the suspension cannot be appealed. Additionally, suspension results from no shows have no low likelihood of being overturned, as Instawork consider them serious violation. So once a decision has been made on an appeal, it will final and cannot be constated further. So to avoid penalties, ensure you cancel shift promptly when necessary and maintain a consistent communication with partners, and that's it.